Hello guys, let's start to design this simple sketch of solid model. You can see the isometric view of this solid model for exercise 4, and at bottom you can see their all views and dimensions. So it is front view and it is side view and it is top. So let's start to design this part in side view. Go to Catia, open Catia, and start mechanical design, part design. It's okay. That is all. Call this point, select axis 16 with this point as input. Let's start to design this part in ZX plane. Select this ZX plane and project this point and select the parallel line to this. Make reverse the all directions so we can get a proper orientations. So let's start to design this part. You can see this part. We can design in some different way. So let's draw a line from this view and take proper dimension from this sketch. This is 70 and 70, and this is 70, this also 70. So don't make this from this to division, so this it will take some time. So just go to exit this workbench and select pad command. Before that, select part body as a defined workbench. Part body it will be different. Select this to this sketch. It will say one error. You must use tick option in order to use an open profile. So this sketch is our open profile because we haven't closed this sketch. So when error is come, this sketch is not closed and this is open profile. So we have to use thickness command. So we can, where a warning is coming, do you want to use the selected sketch in it? Yes. And we are using here thickness. So first of all we will give a length. So length of this is 300. So make it mirror and 300, half of 300. Then go to here for thickness. Thickness of this should be 10. So value here as 10. See what happened to our part. Select neutral. Okay. So we have to check this part is at 10 mm or not. So here you can see one measure between. So select measure between. Select this surface and this surface. You can check the value is yes, exactly 10 mm. So just we have to go next. Our next is here this fillet is given as 10. So this fillet is 10. From this also 10. This also 10. Yes. Now we have to design these holes. So let's start. So first of all go to the command of this hole and select this face and go to here positioning sketch. and from this is 25, from this is 50. So value of this was is from this to 25, from this 50, and diameter of this is 15 times. So exit this workbench. So make sure our this hole is not blind. This finish the diameter of this value diameter 15. Okay, so you can see our hole is created. For creating another hole, we can use simply mirror command and select display. Same hole we want on this one. So select a hole, select the sketch, and position your sketch. As we know the value on this to this, so let me come angle on this to this is 25. This 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 50. Exit the workbench, and this hole is not blind. This hole is after next with the value of 15. Again, go to mirror command, select this hole, select this plane. So our solid model is ready. You can see.